So yesterday I spoke about the circular economy, and it's one of a number of concepts which we're learning about and trying to apply to how we live and work on planet Earth. And one of the problems with all of these concepts is that they are simple in one sense, but also very detailed and difficult to implement on the other hand. And so there's a real need for academics, for businesses, for governments to pay attention to these topics and go into the detail that's necessary to bring these ideas to life, to go beyond the concept and to actually put it into practice. Because it's only when we put these ideas into practice that we will realize the benefits to society, and maybe this idea of new jobs that we can get from the circular economy can actually happen. But we have to move from just talking about it to practicing it. And this is where all of the different institutions can play a role.